remember the few Dysons that I bought back from Mr Tayyab's shed of my collaboration and visit to him recently? Well, not long after I put them all in the shed ready for another day, a lady messaged me who works in a care home locally to me. I've had dealings with them before, and said, have you got anything old and simple for sale? And yes I have. So before I'd even looked at these, they were sold, had to do them up. Here we are now, show you how they've turned out. They are amazing. And then I can yeet them away and get some space back and give Parwaz his share of the cut, which I think is a decent thing to do. So, let's have a look at what we've got. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? Yes, we've got two very nice Dyson DC07's out of them. This is possibly the worst condition one, and its main problem is it's all faded up at the top, sadly. The whole top of the chassis up until about there is all faded and horrible. Not horrible, but yeah, not nice. You wouldn't be happy with it in your collection, which is a shame really, because the bottom bit is absolutely spotless. It cleaned up ever so well. This is just a wash, strip down, wash, polish, put back together. If you follow my video tutorials, you will do the same thing. Very nice indeed. Now this had its hose, so this is the hose that came on the thing, and it's still nice and stiff because it's been washed. It came out really clean. Literally a brand new hose there, which is fantastic. In fact, while we have the hose out, let's test the suction. Oh yes. Very nice suction there. There's nothing wrong with these at all. They are mint, and they're also as they came. The only thing different that this has is it had the chipped handle, and I couldn't find my spare one in time, so I just bought a new one. This is about £10, and it's a pattern part. This is a non-genuine pattern part in completely the wrong colour. But for this, it doesn't matter. It's just a cheap, decent Dyson that's going to do someone a turn. So let's test it out on the run with our brush roll, which now spins and has a good belt. Not too bad at all. It's now dirty and we need to clean it out, but hey, that's not too bad. That's raked up a decent amount really for the thing. So yeah, I mean, even the filter, what's this filter? This is one of the original filters. Only one survived though, the other one shrunk up. I'll show you that in a second. So yeah, all this has had is a new belt and the new post motor filter. That is it. Everything else on this, very nice, you'd be happy enough with it as a daily driver. Dyson DC07. Oh, do the cable up, keep everything tidy, and I will show you also just how clean the wheels are. Look. Not a mark on there. I just remembered to tell you about this, doing the cable. There it is. I mean, even the sides are ever so clean on it. A couple of little marks. I mean, this is good thing about Mr Tayyab. He likes to store them in the shed, but he knows how to pick a really good Dyson. So if it wasn't for the fading on the top half of this machine, I doubt I would have had it really, because obviously he wouldn't have given it away. on to the next one, which is a later model in steel. Again, this was ever so filthy and disgusting, and it's also similarly mint. Yeah, there's even less scratches and scuffs on the side. The wheels aren't quite as nice. It's seen more use, I think. But yeah, look, not a mark on it. It is very nice indeed. That's not put down properly. Who knows? This is the one that Mr Tayyab had the hose from because he had need for a hose. So this is just other hose that I have in the shed, which does the job. It's quite stiff as well, but should work itself out really. We have the original cyclone handle, the later modificated double version that Dyson did. Yeah, and obviously the clear bin with the clear bin flap, looking very nice indeed. This one will have the DC25 inner, because I'm out of brand new or even good used small small P motor filters, and the Dyson DC33 is the same size, and it's actually getting to the point now where it's as cheap. I think there's about 70 pence in between it now to buy a DC33 pre-motor filter than it is to buy the original style. So yeah, there you go. See if this one explodes. That picked up a similarly decent amount of chod. Very nice indeed. I'm going to airline both of these out now. I would say that this one is louder in terms of vibratiness and motor noise, but it's also more powerful feeling than this one. I think they both have the original motors in them, but these two came out surprisingly well and are done. So yeah, these are off to their new home at lunchtime today, which is why I'm filming this video now, to get them gone, even though you won't actually see this video for quite some time. So yeah, tell me, what's your most successful Dyson refurb? Have you ever had some minging disgusting ones turn out almost brand new, or anything in between? Let me know down below. But yeah, until next time, we've still got the two DC14s left, and the broom vac, and the AG Electrolux work vac thing, so still plenty more to go, but I've got the opportunity to get rid of these pretty quickly. Oh, let that away. Pretty quickly, and I'm going to take that chance. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I, and some more Dysons, will see you soon. Bye bye.